Let's see what the market's got in store for us today. Equities open here in 4 minutes. I'm going to check the economic calendar. December 28th, there's nothing. There's pending home sales coming out in 34 minutes. So it's probably going to be a quiet day. I'll be lucky to get 1 or 2 trades in. The range has been pretty tight for a while. We're in a serious downtrend on the day, so I'll probably be looking for shorts. I might just jump into this right now, you know? I just might. I guess it just bounced off of something. It bounced off of 93, got up to O's. Okay. Big picture though, let's see. What do we got big picture wise? It really makes me want to get in this to the short side. I wonder if that's on purpose. So the hourly looks like it's an inside or upward bar. Okay, I'm gonna actually, because it just broke zeros, right? Hmm. Yeah, maybe under O5s. Put a trailing entry in. I'll put it at 99.75s. Minute and a half until the open. I'm gonna play mostly short side just because the trend on the day looks pretty short. That looks terrible. Could grind for another day or week or whatever, but name of the game is too short today. That's what we're gonna try to do. I think this is a little telling. This drop of, actually that's not even that much. That's 15 points. It's been relatively flat for multiple days since the morning of the 27th, but it's bouncing on this level multiple times, this 900 level. The high of 940. So maybe we'll see a rally up to 940, 950, a blow off, but I'm expecting a break through 900s to the downside. And yeah, with it, at least 50s, something. We might do another one of these, which will take all day. So let's see. So for now, let me, oh shit, opens in 5 seconds. 5 seconds starting now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see. See how smart I am. Let me add on to that. I flipped at 97 though, which is not the best spot to be. I got out. Little win. Let's hold it over fives. Ooh, shit, we got 12s. It's a terrible fill. Oh my god. Okay, I just got stopped for about the same amount, even more actually. So that was bad. Here's 85s. Let's see if 80s are respected. Little bounce there. Let's see what happens. Nope. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, stopped out. Ouch. I think I'm down like 400. Yeah, I'm down quite a bit, and it's only 1 minute in. And I was trying to play to the upside, which is not what I should be doing. I should be going short, going like against the plan this whole time. All right, if we go under 60s, I'm definitely going to short. Let's see, 70s. Let's short 70s. Whoops. Oh, geez. Got up to 77 already? Oh my God. All right, well, today's a disaster. I think I just got licked. Did I get licked? Oh my God. Oh, jeez. I was like super underslept. Wasn't sure if I should even trade today. Ah, can't believe I was up. And then I just absolutely ruined it. Well, full disclosure, I did I did go out last night and got pretty crazy, so I'm pretty hungover. So this was bad. Can't believe I was able to hit that stop so quickly. In less than 2 minutes. My God. So what happened with that last trade? I think I just scaled into it really hard. Yeah, so I kept trying to, I told myself I would short, made money shorting, and then lost money shorting, made money getting long. So decided to keep getting long, but yeah, we just had a bit of a sideways open. Man, it's gonna grind all day. Look at that. Amazing. Great spot to bounce, 20 points off of 80s. Great spot. That's usually a really strong spot to bounce from. And it was strong. So, okay, lessons from today. And I'm gonna have to just watch this as punishment now for the next 20 minutes or so. 27 minutes or so. My punishment is to watch this price action and miss out on all this amazing. See, like if this was one contract instead of like five or three, I think it was three. I mean, I would have been closer to my day stop, but I would have been fine. So yeah, I think I came into the day emotionally, I guess, a little bit too aloof. So that was the problem. So now we're back. Oh man, that wipes all the gains from the last, I think, 7 days or so. So really, this stop has to be just way tighter, or the gains of my days has to go up. So like tomorrow, I can't let the day get blown out like this. I have to stop myself at like 500 tops because 500 is about the P&L of one solid winning trade. Yeah, this was when I was long and then kept trying to get long multiple times. And then I had flipped, right? So I had, look at how many losers in a row. My gosh. Made money, made money with two trades. And then I lost one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. But a lot of these are at the same time, right? There's three, there's another three. So it's really two sets of three. So this is really three trades, unfortunately. Yeah. Wow, look at it rip. I was completely wrong with the drip hypothesis. It is a bounce area for sure. I mean, to come down to 60s though, wow, that is awesome. And touching on an 85 level, oh wow, look at that. So this is pretty cool. It pulled down into this low from the 22nd, touched on almost the exact same level, and had a solid 120 point bounce. And this was right off of the open. And I was actually short three and got out way too late. So yeah, given the rules for this account, I should not be getting in three at all. Given that I've blown out now, I'm restricting myself to, I'll say no more than two contracts at any one time. Three is clearly too much because I blew out the account. So looks like we're coming up to 91. I would do the same thing in 85s, going up to them from the downside like this. So I don't know, I would try shorting up to O5s. So like anything close to O5s is a good short. Anything within 10 points of O5. So I would have gotten into a baby short right there, like one contract at 95. I'd be 10 points in the money already. Look at that. Oh man, feeling pretty lame for being stopped on the day, but this is good medicine, right? To remind me how long 30 minutes really is. Can't believe how excited I was. That was a little too ridiculous. I was too aggressive and not graceful enough. So that was a bounce off of 65, it looks like, or 70. I'm trying to remember, a micro is $2 per point, so 100 points would be $200, right? Yeah. So with one micro, this would have been $200. This move. With one mini, this would have been thousands, I think, right? Yeah, because 10 is 200, so 100 would be 2,000 with a one mini. Would have been nice for sure. See, that's the paradigm, right? Is that all I have to do is hit these keys in a relatively correct order, and I can profit from the price action I'm seeing on the screen. It's extremely deceptive because hindsight is 2020, and that's all I'm seeing on the screen is hindsight. So maybe I should focus more of my view of what I can see to maybe volume on the books, because I'm only paying for top of book, but I know that deeper in the book, it's all just algorithms moving tons of volume around. I could try to learn to identify how different bots move their volume around the books, or I could start watching the prints, which is the actual executions going on, and start looking for patterns that way. But I think the prints for this are they're really for Tradovate. I don't think they're that good. It's the tick stream, I think. NQH. Yeah, like see, those are the purchases and sales and whatnot. Let's see how it's choppy. So choppy. Also, the color scheme is kind of epileptic. Let's do some ghost trading though. That's always healthy. Whoa, is that gold? Gold was very trendy. When was this? This was 8:30 today? That was yesterday. 8:30 to 9:30. Just climbed. And 9:30 all the way to now fell all the way back down to that level. It's pretty cool. So let's see, we had this crazy nice run off of this bounce off 60s, off the open, which was a level from the 22nd. And this it's also a level from October and November. Wow. So we're gonna have another like month or two of just going sideways through here. Dang. Next time I see that, hopefully know what I'm looking at. So if we look at this, we've got no real divergence here to the upside, right? Maybe here slightly. Here we've got no real bearish divergence either. No bullish divergence. No bearish divergence. Here's a little bit of bearish divergence. Here's definitely, well, yeah, guess that's bearish. This is definitely bearish. Yeah, so this is definitely big bearish divergence. But this is a daily, I mean, for me it's not that important. What a great run today, dang. Ah, why was I so stubborn? I think I know what it is. I don't want to talk about it on stream, but I think yeah, there's something to do with my prep for the day that I think messed me up. So I'm gonna not do that going forward. And I have a feeling it's gonna clear up my blowout days like this. But yeah, I hate to see it. Look at how many losers in a row too. No bueno. So one issue was not chilling out as soon as I had a problem. Look at that, all within the first minute. Oh, just super revenge trading. Man, I'm pretty sure I know exactly what it was that caused me to be so revenge tradey today. And I will resolve it. Look at that, that's all it took. Wow. So holding one from 60s to, let's just say 60s. 60 to 60, or somewhere around that range, 100 points. Would have been 2K with one mini. So that's with three minis. If I was long instead and managed to hold it, that would have been let's see, two minis. Managed to hold it. Or if I had three minis, that would have been 6K. Yeah, that would have been great. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and export these trades. So I'm going to review. So let me export these trades. I'm doing it on the other screen. Don't mind me. 1228. Okay. All right, let's go to my dashboard. Let's go to my December journal. Look at this, I was doing so great. And then look at today's gonna put me in the red. But see, I used to be like dramatically in the red, and then now it's more so, I guess I'm not in the red. Why does this show that I'm, oh no, I am net red. Okay. Gross is what this is showing. So yeah, it would be nice to see another graph next to this with the actual P&L of the day instead of the P&L history. But looking at the P&L history, yeah, with the fees, this would be back down to zero, which tells me I'm over trading. It's too many trades. So I'm already drawing some valuable insight here. This is good. So today would be day 7 in this streak. No, this thing didn't refresh. That's something I'm going to notate too. Let me write that down in my notes. Graph doesn't account graph doesn't refresh after upload. Didn't I just upload? Maybe I didn't upload trades yet. No, I did. Yeah. So if we go in here, yeah, blowout day. And I'm going to add some screenshots. Let me just get the screens up. I don't know why we would ever need a screenshot of the trades, but I'm going to take one anyway. Because why not? Can't have too much information. The loading images still aren't working. It's weird. Okay. Oh man, feel bad for missing this amazing push, this amazing bounce off of 60s. Yeah, I think I was, I'm expecting the less likely thing. Expecting a breakdown is the less likely thing. Okay, cool. And last screenshot. Oh, I need to get the performance center. Let me get that too. Oops. Performance center. Okay, here's the performance center. And then I wanted to get the 1 minute chart too, just in case I want to look back and remember my mistakes. Oh man, it traded so poorly today. Okay, so uploaded all my screenshots. Let's take a quick look. Use the cursor keys to go left and right. And I'm actually almost done with the feature that would let us use the side panel, which would be nice. Okay, so this is the minute chart. Here's the range bar chart. Very simple. Let's see. Came into the day distracted. And a bit emotional, as evident by the trades, by the P&L. So specifically, didn't get good sleep. Identified more with the trades as a result of feeling tired. Okay. Let's save that for now. Terrible day, hate to see it, but we learn from it. And this was actually, so if I remember right, yeah, this is the range. So I had made money getting long here because I had talked about being short, and then as soon as it started approaching 85s, I was like, all right, I gotta get long because 85s are a great level for me. And I did get long, and that's where I was up on the day, but then continued getting long, and then got long again, but then stopped getting long at 60s. And I even said on the stream, if we go under 60s, I'll start getting short. And it must have flashed under 60s. So this chart must not be completely accurate because, yeah. But at any rate, I got burned. I want to see specifically this last trade. Yeah, so that's the other thing, right? Is I got to make sure this can be merged. Merge like trades. Like here, technically these two should be, oh, the price is different. I see. So that's why these are all different. Okay, that makes sense. Never mind. But these should not have been 3. This is a long, got into these two at the same time and got out at the same time. So, okay, so these two should be merged, and yet they're not. So that needs to be fixed. So let me just add a note here, like, did not need to, let's just say took unnecessary risk. Revenge trade probably good enough. And what else? What else? What else? So yeah, these three were bad, obviously. 8, 9, and 10. Man, definitely had days like this to the upside too. But it seems like I'm definitely more bold when I'm losing money, which is the problem. I should become more timid. So I need to work on becoming timid when losing money and bold when making it. Um, Normal behavior has been the opposite. Afraid to lose gains. Um, YOLO when. Well, I mean, I know this has been the opposite. Let's just say old behavior. Old behavior has been the opposite. Okay, well, it's getting close to my quitting time here for the day. I'm just going to take another quick look at the chart. Wow, it's retracing that big pump. Missing lots of awesome price action, but unfortunately I have to stick to my rule. I could, of course, like, get this reset, but I'm not going to because I want to stick to my rules. So yeah, I'm paying the price today, unfortunately, delaying any, ideas of scaling up. So I need to really identify with that losing days like today are the reason I am held back, and so I need to avoid these days like the plague. I'm pretty sure, excuse me, I'm pretty sure I know what it was, so just make sure not to do that tomorrow or the next day or ever when I trade, and I think it will do the trick because earlier I would say when I was trading more consistently, I didn't have blow up days like this ever. So, all right, well, man, all right, I'll be back tomorrow, and we'll see if we get any more volatility in the morning. I don't like trading throughout the day, even if today is going to be awesome, but I'm done for the day. So best of luck, guys, for the rest of the day, and I will